Hello guys and welcome to this video. In this video I will explain two important tools, the quick selection and the crop tool. We will use these two tools to change the background of this image. So we use the quick selection tool to separate the character from the background. First we go to the tool, then we select the middle box right here, then we select the character like this. We make sure to select the whole character. Now we select this part right here. This part was left. We zoom in, and if you don't have the navigator window in here, you may want to activate it from here. Window, and check the navigator option right here. Now I click here, the third option, and then I select the rest of the character. Now I copy the character. Right click, then layer via copy. Now I hide the background layer to remove it like this. You see that we still have to delete this space right here. We can remove this space using the same tool we used. Or we can use this tool right here. I will use the second tool so that you can take a look on how it works. So I start by clicking right here. Then we keep going until we select the whole space. I reconnect the two dots together, then I select the layer of the image. Then I click delete from the keyboard, and here we are. First I need to select the top layer, then I click delete from the keyboard, and here we are. Now I'm going to remove this tiny space right here, and here we are. Now we add the new background. We go to File, then Open, and we locate the background. Then I use the Move tool to drag the background here, and I put it right in here. Now I make the background layer under the character layer, like this, and here we are. The background is changed. Take a look at how it was and how it became. So now we move the crop tool. We move to the crop tool. We click on the tool, then we get these dots at the edge like this. Then we drag the edge to hide these parts of the image. And as you see, these parts are gone, and the image will look just like this. Like this. The image will only consist of this part. We deleted the parts on the edge, as you see here. I go back like this so that you can see the difference, and we can select any part of the image and hide it. We can even make it look like this, and we can go back anytime from here. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.